picture. One more time. Sumusunod lang. Ayos. Stop looking at me. Just continue walking. So ngayon, papunta kami ng shop ng mga halaman kasi bibili kami ng lupa soil na nasa pack.
A few moments later.
Okay, you go first. I'll follow you.